What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host T. Welcome to the adventures of TNT. Now today we're doing another Patreon request. This is coming from our patron. Who is this coming from? This is coming from Jeff, in which Jeff has requested Sabotage. Now I have reacted to Sabotage before. I believe the first song that I reacted to from them was it was called Hall of the Mountain King, or it was called Hail of the Mountain King. Let me see. Yeah, Hall of the Mountain King. Which I thought that song was phenomenal. It was really good. It felt like Viking metal or something. It just had this, really good feeling for it. Almost like, let me think. Because I love the Viking fantasy aspect of that style of music. But it felt like the Immigrant song from Led Zeppelin. It felt like part 2 of the Immigrant song. That makes any sense for you guys. So here I am today. I'm going to be reacting to Sabotage Handful of Rain. So I'm very curious. I'm excited because I enjoyed Hall of the Mountain King. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Once again, this is Handful of Rain by Sabotage. You already know it's gonna be epic. They start a track whispering.
Shelters like an arm that always takes you in, and the mind goes numb.
I love this feeling.
It's feeling no pain.
Epic album art.
My soul cries out for a handful of rain.
Okay.
Wash your women in your whiskey with your futures in the past, and you're staring up at heaven from the bottom of a glass, and you need some insulation from the years you've had it lost, and you feel the perspiration as you're adding up the cost.
Play to his voice.
And the night rolls on like a slow-moving train, yeah. And the soul cries out, cries out, cries out.
Wow.
There's a land beyond the living, there's a land beyond the dead. If it's true that God's forgiving of the lives that we have led, in the distance there's a thunder and the air is thick and warm, and the patriots watch with wonder the approaching of the storm, and the night rolls on like a slow-moving train, yeah.
Damn.
And the soul cries out for a handful of rain.
Wow. This is good. This is really good.
All right.
Come on.
There's an old man in the corner and he's smoking all the time.
I love that. I love how it calms down. Goes back into the song.
upward and it's twisted in my mind. My mind. Whiskey's getting deeper and I use it like a bow. There's a blues man in the distance and he's lost inside his note. His note. His note.
This track is so good. I love this right here. Never would have expected this from this band.
The night is growing dark.
Love that. Love how it just tones down.
Somewhere deep within, it shelters like an arm that always takes you in.
You hear those distorted riffs in the background? That acoustic guitar?
Rolls on like a slow-moving train, and the soul cries out
Right.
for a handful of rain.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. This song was just amazing on so many different levels. It almost felt like a metal blues track, if you guys catch my drift. This is a track that I could listen to on like a long night's drive, you know, a long night drive home, or, you know, drive going somewhere. I don't know, just at night, just driving, I could just jam this song. It definitely had a feeling to it, a lot of emotion. You know, I really love that album art. That album art is really epic. That's really cool. But yeah, like I just like how the track just it eases you into this song. You know, the lead singer, he's just whispering, you know, I'm going home tonight. You know, and he's just whispering, easing you into the song, and then it just explodes and it just hits you. And then they have that lyric in there, that verse. What does it say? It says, and he says that verse in there where he's like, and the soul cries out for a handful of rain. It's just so awesome, so epic. And then the acoustic guitars in this was really, really good. It just really set the tone for this track. So shout out to you, Jeff. I really enjoyed this. This was an epic track. This is like awakened a beast inside me, because now I feel like I need to listen to more Savatage, because this it seems like this is a highly underrated and very talented band. So I want to learn more and hear more from these guys. So guys, if you have any requests as far as where I should go from here, leave them down below in the comment section. Once again, the tracks that I've heard from them before was Hall of the Mountain King and this song right here. So just let me know, guide me where a newcomer should go after this track. But I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you next time.